I'm Hot Car Track.
I'm MC.
And this is Mount Western Raceway. Well, here we are. We're at the finals. It's the 61 Impala and the Shelby Cobra Daytona go head to head. Let's have a closer look at these two competitors. The 61 Impala has the fastest track time of 4.515. And the Shelby Cobra Daytona is not far behind him. Has he got the pace to keep up with the Impala? The first car to win 3 races wins the Summer Series Finals. Before we head into the finals, we need to find out third place. We have the 70 Challenger, the Plymouth Barracuda, the Dodge Challenger and Muscle Speeder. The rules are simple. Last place will be removed until we have a winner for third place.
Let's do it. Race 1.
Good luck, competitors. Oh, it's a bit messy up there. Here comes the Speeder. It's the Speeder. Oh, the Speeder's gone. Here comes the Barracuda, and the Barracuda takes out race 1.
Winner, Plymouth Barracuda.
So we still got the Dodge and the 70. And the Speeder, well, we won't find him till next summer. Hit that replay, MC.
I'm onto it.
Yeah, it's a bit slow out of the gate. The Speeder's got a good line going into turn 1. Has a bit of a barney with the Barracuda, and he's gone forever. And it's a Barracuda all the way. Oh, the Dodge hits high, and it's a good win by the Barracuda.
Race 2.
Oh, the Barracuda's out front. Oh, I think he's got this sewn up all the way. Beautiful going into turn 2. Oh, he hits the sidewall. Ah, here comes the Dodge. Well done, the Dodge.
Winner, Dodge Challenger.
Hit that replay, MC.
I'm onto it.
That 70 got stuck up the top. Look how slow he is coming out. But the Barracuda, look at him go. He can just see that finish line. He wants that third place so desperately. Beautiful going into there, but he just hits that wall and just can't recover. The Dodge sees this and sees the finish line and says, "Brother, I'm taking this."
Congratulations, Dodge Challenger. Race 3.
Well, this is it for third place. Here comes the 70. He's got the pace. Oh, I think he's got this sewn up. Oh, it's the 70. He takes third place. Congratulations.
Winner, 70 Challenger. Replay.
The 70 Challenger just looks like he's in true form today. Look at that. Goes up high using every bit of the track. Straight down Western Straight. Looking for that beautiful turn into turn 2, goes up high, no problems. Has a quick look at the Dodge and says, "Mate, I've just secured third place. Thank you very much, Mount Western Raceway." Congratulations, the 70 Challenger. You have just taken out third place in the Summer Series tournament. And a big thank you to all the competitors that have taken part in the Mount Western Raceway Summer Series tournament. No doubt we will see you in future races. Thank you very much. Here we go, the finals. What do you think, MC?
I think it's the Impala, mate. Let's do it. Race 1.
I've got to say, sitting up here in the booth, I'm nervous. Here comes the Impala into turn 1. He goes up high. Look, he's got the pace. He's got the speed. He's not frightened, and thank you very much. He takes out race 1. Oh, what a stack!
Winner, 61 Impala. Replay.
I think the Shelby's got his work cut out today, but it's neck and neck going into turn 1. The Shelby's right on his tail, but it's the pace of the Impala. He's all over the track. Just loves Mount Western Raceway.
Gee, those guys hit hard.
So there you have it. The 61 Impala gets the first win.
Race 2.
61 goes out hard into that first turn, hits the top. Oh, he's almost gone. Oh, here comes the Shelby. No. Hang on, the Shelby's gone. The 61's crawling backwards towards the line. He's desperate. No, he doesn't make it. Hit that replay, MC.
I'm onto it. Replay.
There's one thing about Mount Western Raceway. You can have the speed, but you need to have the control. At 61, he hits the top and then the bottom and goes on to the side. The Shelby almost goes as well. And they both just lose pace, and that's that.
A DNF. Oh, the pressure's on. We've got a race, HC.
That's for sure, mate. So, race 2, a DNF. 61 Impala has one win.
Race 3.
Good clean start up the top. It's a fight into turn 1. Oh, the Impala hits. The Impala's gone. And the Shelby sees the finish line and says, thank you very much. This is mine.
Winner, Shelby Cobra Daytona.
You do not want to go in there. Recovery is difficult. Hit the replay, MC.
Doing it now.
This might be the Impala's undoing. He has too much speed and too much weight. And you combine these two elements on Mount Western Raceway, recovery is impossible and he's gone.
And this just leaves the track wide open for the Shelby.
Congratulations to Shelby, you get your first win in the final.
Race 4.
Tension's mounting up here at the top. Oh, did you see that little move the Impala did? Just pushed in front of the Shelby. Oh, they're both over. Oh no, it's a DNF.
DNF. Replay.
These guys are fighting it out. That little move the Impala did, very, very sneaky. The Impala has a good line into turn 1, but he hits high, and so does the Shelby. He hits low.
And it's a DNF.
One win all out of race 4.
Race 5.
Sensational racing here at Mount Western Raceway. Here comes the Impala. I've been waiting for the Impala to put the charge on. Into turn 2. The Shelby's gone. The Impala, beautiful driving.
Winner, 61 Impala.
Set the replay up, MC.
I'm onto it.
Have a look at the 61. He does that little manoeuvre in front of the Shelby. That just slows the Shelby down a bit, then the Shelby goes up high and just loses traction, hits the sidewall, but it's a 61 all the way. Look at this, he's using every part of Mount Western Raceway. Congratulations, 61 Impala. You score your second win in the finals.
Race 6.
What do you think, MC?
The Impala's all over Mount Western.
It's a fast pace into turn 1. Here comes the Shelby. It's the 61. It's the 61. He takes out the summer tournament finals. Congratulations, the 61 Impala.
Winner, 61 Impala.
Oh, I'm losing my voice, MC.
Take it easy, brother. Replay.
This is anyone's race going into turn 1. They both have an excellent line. The Shelby's right on the heels of the 61, looking for that chance to overtake. But it's the 61 all the way. It's the speed, it's the weight, and he just loves racing here at Mount Western Raceway. There you have it, the 61 Impala with 3 wins. What a tournament this has been. The winner, 61 Impala. And congratulations to the Shelby Cobra Daytona. You put up a good fight. Here he is, the 61 Impala. Congratulations again on a fantastic win at Mount Western Raceway and taking out the Summer Tournament Series. I'm Hot Car Track and this is Mount Western Raceway. Thanks for watching.